Hello everyone and welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm gonna tell you how you can buy Bitcoin on Tonkeeper. So for that, first of all, obviously you need to have the Tonkeeper app. So just click on it. So Tonkeeper had this new update where instead of importing your Bitcoins from other wallets and apps, you can actually buy Bitcoin on this interface. So what you can do is click on buy and sell over here, or you can also click on this history option on the bottom and click on buy Toncoin over here. So click on wallet and just click on buy and sell. So Tonkeeper have their own Bitcoin known as Toncoin. It has the same use of the normal Bitcoin, and it has a very great market. So you can buy Tone from here, like Mercurio, New Crypto, and you can buy from USDT, or you can buy through Buy Not, or you can even swap. So in order to buy Toncoin, you have to click on this history over here and then click on buy Toncoin, and here you can just buy any of it from here. So that is how you can buy Toncoin, which is aka Bitcoin, on Tonkeeper. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.